So I'll be showing you how to fix this issue if, for example, Windows blocked a specific program from loading the DLL into your local security authority. So if this happened, you shouldn't actually be worried because this is not actually serious. What this indicates is the following. Windows itself, that is Windows 11, blocked this DLL. Why? Because probably it's an untrusted DLL or it's an older version of DLL. So what you can actually do is contact the company or the provider of the software to provide you a more recent version of that DLL, or you can actually do the following. So what you need to do is this. We need to start the command prompt and then run the command prompt as administrator. And then we're going to run the following command. So you will need to go to where this program is. Well, if I go to open program files, let me just go to this page, see? And then here you can see under program files, we have Bonjour, and this file is being blocked. So we're going to do that for both if I go to my 32 bits, this 86 bits, you can see we also have the same file. So I'm going to run I'm going to register the DLL into my system. We're just going to run this following command. You can see it says it's successfully registered. And then we're going to actually register the 32-bit as well. And then hit enter. You can see it says successfully. And lastly, we are going to actually delete the Bonjour service because actually your device don't need it. What happens is I installed FileMaker Pro, that is actually the trial version, which includes this Bonjour application on my device, because without the Bonjour, probably the program will not work correctly. So we're going to actually do the following. I'm going to delete the service. You can see it says deleted service successfully. So I can now just don't show this again and then click cancel. So we can decide we can continue to use the program without any issue. You can see I'm using a trial version. Just click next, and then you can continue to use the program without any issue. But this is how you solve the problem. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT problem like this. And if you have any issues concerning Windows Client Operating System or even Windows Server, please you can always send me a message or leave a message in this video and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.